Reserve Bank of India, abbreviated as RBI, is the central bank of the Republic of India and regulatory body responsible for regulations of the Indian banking system and Indian currency. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Before moving ahead, for the brief information about the Reserve Bank of India, like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the notification instantly. Owned by the Ministry of Finance, Government of the Republic of India. It is responsible for the control, issue and maintenance of the supply of the Indian rupee. It also manages the country's main payment system and works to promote its economic development. The Reserve Bank of India, along with the Indian Banks Association, established the National Payment Corporation of India to promote and regulate the payment and settlement system in India. Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran is a specialized division BRBNM of Reserve Bank of India, through which it prints and mints Indian currency note INR in two of its currency printing press located in Mysore, Karnataka, Southern India, and Salboni, West Bengal, Eastern India. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation was established by Reserve Bank of India as one of its specialized division for the purpose of providing insurance of deposits and guaranteeing of credit facilities to all Indian bank until the Monetary Policy Committee was established 2016. It also had full control over monetary policy in the country. It commenced its operation on 1st April 1935 in accordance with the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The original share capital was divided into shares of 100 each fully paid. RBI was nationalized on 1st January 1949, along a year and a half after India's independence. The overall direction of the Reserve Bank of India lies with the 21-member Central Board of Directors, composed of the Governor, 4 Deputy Governor, 2 Finance Ministry representatives, usually the Economic Affairs Secretary and the Financial Services Secretary, 10 government nominated directors and 4 directors who represent local boards for Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. Each of these local boards consists of 5 members who represent regional interest and the interest of cooperative and indigenous banks. It is a member bank of an Asian Clearing Union. The bank is also active in promoting financial inclusion policy and is a leading member of the Alliance of Financial Inclusion AFI. The central bank of any country executes many functions such as overseeing monetary policy, issuing currency, managing foreign exchange, working as a bank for government and as a banker of scheduled commercial banks. It also works for overall economic growth of the country. The primary objectives of Reserve Bank of India is to undertake consolidated supervision of the financial sector, comprising commercial banks, financial institutions, and non-banking finance companies. The board is constituted by co-opting 4 directors from the central board as members for a term of 2 years and is chaired by the governor. The deputy governors of the Reserve Bank are ex officio members. One deputy governor, usually the deputy governor, in charge of banking regulation and supervision, is nominated as a vice chairman of the board. The board is required to meet normally once every month. It considers inspection reports and other supervisory issues placed before it by the supervisory department. Board for Financial Supervision through the Audit Subcommittee also aims at upgrading the quality of statutory audit and internal audit functions in banks and financial institutions. The Audit Subcommittee includes deputy governors as the chairman and 2 directors of the central board as members. The BFS oversees the function of the Department of Banking Supervisions, the Department of Non-Banking Supervisions, and the Financial Institution Division (FID), and gives directions on the regulatory and the supervisory issues. As a regulatory and supervisors of the Indian banking system, it ensures financial stability and public confidence in the banking system. It prescribes board parameters of banking operations within which country's banking and financial system functions. Its objectives are to maintain public confidence in the systems, protect depositors' interest, and provide cost-effective banking services to the public. The Banking Ombudsman Scheme has been formulated by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for effective addressing of complaints by bank customers. The RBI controls the monetary supply, monitors economic indicators like the gross domestic product, and has to decide the design of the rupee banknotes as well as coins. Reserve Bank of India uses methods like on-site inspections, off-site surveillances, scrutiny, and periodic meetings to supervise new bank license, setting capital requirements, and regulating interest rates in specific areas. Reserve Bank of India is currently focused on implementing norms other than the Government of India. The Reserve Bank of India is the sole body authorized to issue banknotes in India. The bank also destroys banknotes when they are not fit for circulation. All the money issued by the central bank is its monetary liability. That is, the central bank is obliged to back the currency with assets of equal value to enhance public confidence in paper currency. The objectives are to issue banknotes and give the public adequate supply of the same, to maintain the currency and credit system of the country, to utilize it in its best average, and to maintain the reserves. The RBI maintains the economic structure of the country so that it can be achieved the objective of price stability as well as economic development, because both objectives are diverse in themselves. For the printing of notes, Reserve Bank of India uses 4 facilities: the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited (SPMCIL), a wholly owned company of the Government of India, has printing presses at Nasik, Madhya Pradesh, Devas and Maharashtra. The Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited, owned by the Reserve Bank of India, has printing facilities in Mysore, Karnataka and Salboni, West Bengal, for the minting of coins. Has 4 mints at Mumbai, Noida, Kolkata and Hyderabad for coin productions. While coins are minted by an 1 rupee note are issued by the Government of India. The Reserve Bank of India works as an agent of Government of India for the distribution and handlings of coins. Reserve Bank of India also work to prevent counterfeiting of currency by regularly upgrading security features of currency.